man no day, Monday, Papa, Sasuna Patapapio to way Yadambra, Neuro. Necessia de all eyes on Dormaahene. Na Niaka Kono. Sakot Bailiff crash on Dormaahene no Hunedia. Aji Interpol, ne invite you. So Momboa with Air Dormaahene search. Assemble Nesi. Na this court in Sansamono. Why? Any secret. It's about to go down. Saso da Ahmed Suale ni wo hu Sansamono. Suspect na police watching on one side down for no. Omu kopia mo court a ebusua interesting revelations na betobia. Information ni bia yenim wo abonten da no. Ebusua fenu to baby answer. Cause information dey we saw. Masrawa so we be share video we na be share wadwen amam your comment section. One subscribe here. Masrawa so be subscribe to TRENDSGH. Na turn the notification bell on for latest updates. Ahmed Suale ana one Anas Aremeyaw Anas eye adwuma 2019 na nipa bonifo bi ekum ne yayaya. Eno na last week mu no Ghana Police Service eye CID omo akache no omo che Anas Aremeyaw Anas ono wankasa ne former worker eye Daniel Owusu Kranten ana kire se one Ahmed Suale nyina no na eye adwuma. So last week omo kopie mu e wo court. Now after court proceedings no ebusia interesting revelations be bring no abetobia. Eya akoye say narrative ane wa bonten dada no ebusa ni nyina no eye change. Asem ni nyina ne say Paul Adomochre e na one eye Anas Aremeyaw Anas the former worker our police for actually say eba no Ahmed Suale ni wo hunu sensam na onim ho bi. I'm talking about Daniel Owusu Kranten aka Amache no. Eye ni legal team no emu baako e na one Paul Adomochre atwetwe nkomo and some na all kano.
So by the time Ahmed Suale died, he was not a member of Tiger Eye PI.
No, he was not.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, he said it here. He was not. He said, I have resigned. I don't want to have anything to do with them. But you two be mindful because anyone who is leaking videos that could not have been leaked after you left is trying to implicate you. And today, we are all here because Daniel Owusu Kranten is accused of leaking pictures.
To your knowledge, or to Daniel Owusu Kranten's knowledge, did Ahmed Suale fall out with Anas Aremeyaw Anas?
Well, it would appear so because from the narratives or from the text messages, he had a lot of complaints about him. He had even said in one of the text messages that if he were to talk, what Ken did was small.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, he even went ahead and said that you do all these efforts and you are not appreciated. So he had some.
And you have these text messages?
Oh yes,
You can share. Oh, you have to look at me. You can share with some of us. You can share it with the media.
I can share it. I can
share it. Of Ahmed Suale talking.
Yes, I have Daniel Owusu Kranten's full permission to share everything.
Okay, let me tell our viewers that we will obtain these videos and share it to you on the extended interview of this, on the extended program interview of this. You said Ahmed Suale said in a text that if he were to talk, what Kennedy did with who watches a watchman, watches the watchman will be small, will pale into insignificance.
Yes, he said the whole Ghana will shake.
If he were to say what he knows about the operations of Tiger Eye.
Exactly.
What then was Ahmed Suale doing by the time he died, to your knowledge?
I have no idea what he was doing. Because I think he said he was going to lay low in one of the text messages. And after that, my clients never had any interactions with him again.
Then he heard he had died.
Did
he attend the funeral, Daniel Kranten?
No, he could not have attended the funeral because upon the death of Ahmed Suale, people were calling him and threatening him. I think
why do people think that he could have been part of the operation to undo Ahmed?
Because a certain narrative has been set way back in 2018. I mean, the same person that keeps telling everybody that Ahmed Suale died because of pictures.
Who is this person?
Well, your guess is as good as mine. We should ask, the whole Ghana should ask, who set the narrative years ago saying that Ahmed died because there was a release of pictures. Now this Ahmed, his pictures are everywhere. If we are talking about who released pictures of Ahmed first or who released Ahmed's image first, it will be Anas. Because if you look at the school feeding documentary, the 16th minute, you will see Ahmed with a camera in there.
But they don't say that he's Ahmed Suale.
You don't have to say he's Ahmed Suale.
Yes, but having somebody's image in a documentary is quite different from having the image and writing the name Paul Adomochre on it.
He even has a Facebook page with his photographs. He has published his photographs everywhere.
And on the Facebook page, he's called Ahmed Suale?
No, he's called Usong Diwala.
So this image that we're seeing on the television, you said it was shared by Ahmed himself?
Yes, shared by him.
This is Facebook page?
Facebook.
But what name does he use on the Facebook page, you said?
Usong Diwala.
Usong Diwala.
Diwala, yeah. Well, I can't really pronounce it, but that's what
I see.
Yeah, I read it. He has pictures of his wife there, his children there, everything about him is there. So it's strange why the narrative would be that the person died because of pictures.
So by the time Ahmed died, was Ahmed, as far as your client knows, was Ahmed talking to Anas?
Was Ahmed, I don't know.
On friendly level, you know that.
Nobody knows that.
But he has certainly resigned from Tiger Eye.
Yes, he had resigned.
But that information has never come out. I mean, he was buried as a Tiger Eye staff. Anas was at the funeral. They treated the matter as one of their own has passed. They didn't say that he had left.
Mine. And we are going to find the killer of Ahmed. We are going to find the killer of Ahmed. And Ahmed died because of pictures. But to the best of our knowledge...
Let me finally ask you about the baby mother. Because there's information that Anas spoke to the baby mother. What's that about?
Yes. She was heard in a conversation with Daniel Owusu-Kranting that...
Do you have that audio?
Yes.
You'll give it to us?
I'll finish it with you.
All right.
He was said to have been planning, or Adolf and Anas. She said, if I can say it in Twi or say it in English. And Jane said, maybe Fino.
Who's talking?
This is Anas.
Telling the lady.
This is the lady repeating what she had heard.
Okay, what is it?
She's saying that Jane say, maybe Fino. I fey and I'm a And she said some other lady in the...
Has the baby mother fallen out with Daniel Kranting?
Well, yes, they have fallen out.
Because I'm wondering why Anas will be talking to her, indicating the threats that he wants to carry out, if indeed he did, threats he wants to carry out against her baby father, unless, of course, the two of them are falling out.
They are falling out. They always fall out. They will start talking again. They fall out. They'll start talking again. But now they are not on good terms.
The lady and Kranting.
Exactly.
But Anas is on good terms with the lady?
Obviously, because she's the one who's giving the narrative.
But if she's not on good terms with Daniel Kranting, why is he calling him back to alert him that this is what your boss is saying?
No, at the time, what I'm trying to say is that they fall out and they become friends again.
Okay,
at the time,
they had become friends again.
And she's saying, oh, do you know what happened here? This person is saying this and this and this.
Okay.
And that we are planning that... one Adolf was saying that we should fake an armed robbery attack, and somebody should even beat me up, so that in case you survive, you will not know that there was a ploy like that.
I don't get it. Somebody should beat who up?
Beat the Adolf up. So we are planning an armed robbery attack.
On who?
On Daniel Owusu-Kranting.
And what's Adolf doing with it?
And Adolf will be with him, Daniel Owusu-Kranting.
Oh, she'll be hanging around with him.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if the armed robbers come, they are supposed to kill Daniel Owusu-Kranting and beat Adolf, so that it will be like they were both victims of the crime.
And then Daniel passed, so that it won't even look like it's orchestrated.
Exactly.
And Adolf was part of the plan.
And Adolf, she's heard saying that Adolf was part of the plan.
Adolf was part of the plan for himself to be beaten.
Yes.
Really?
Willing to be beaten.
Why? Who could Adolf be doing this for?
Adolf was still working with Anas at the time.
This is getting very complicated.
Yes.
But it's taken the police 6 years to arrest the same Daniel Kranting who has collaborated with them since Ahmed Suale died.
Yes.
That is shocking too.
Collaborated with them, applied to them. He has police escorts following him everywhere when he's going for all these meetings. So to me, I was shocked when you say he's a fugitive of justice. He fled when the police were closing in on him, and just returned 2 weeks ago. Meanwhile, everybody in this Ghana who knows him knows that he's been here. People are having dinner with him. He's looking after relatives. He's paying for people to be released from hospitals. He's doing a whole lot of things in Ghana. He's in plain sight. He's not hiding.
Ahmed Suale on one case and down for that police watching and say, "About a new woman sent some I know who bon wobuno." Or no, the legal team, Nipa Bakun na Okasano. I just and some all can say on record. Say Ahmed Suale before a man for Bibekun Yayano, na Ahmed Suale, and Yadia, only Anas Arameya Anas, a year to maybe. Any afi eye Daniel Owusu Kranten ne police watching ne say eba na Ahmed Suale ni wo hu sensem na ono kra no one Ahmed Suale etwetwe nkomo ema Ahmed Suale kra na ka kire Daniel Owusu Kranten ne police watching ni say ai eba no information ni bi na ade a otete wo ne ho a enkoyie ema Ahmed Suale kra na kire mu say wo de eha wo ho na me kra no anas arem ya anas enya ade a mene no eye adwuma bio fast forward osanso kire mu say eye Daniel Owusu Kranten ni baby mama anas arem ya anas allegedly ofre no one no twetwe nkomo bi this particular case no Inti Ahmed Suale ni wo hu sensem pa wan na o se chiri. Now mama ti se mo Chimonka highway no so court rise ye bedwudwom. Na Dormaahene be wo bia no monka nche ne se mama no ntu na se wonya mes call from Kumasi High Court. Na sembe nesi. Court bailiff for no chiremu a ohwehwe Dormaahene de denden. So this particular sermon no Opimso radio menhia omo radio station and a posti this court sermon no. In the High Court Ashanti region Kumasi the Republic versus Osajefo Osadia yo Ajimambedu. Into where the Republic Oman Ghana ena ene Dormaahene enya Osajefo Osadia yo Ajimambedu the second enya. Na the Republic no ana mambo jam say na Dormaahene aseme na waketia Oman Konkron Ghana. Anna, are you thinking what I'm thinking? If you Anna. Are you getting the point? Anna, because say Opimso radio post ade we ya link to Mensia. Mensia, shout out to you. No, Michiamo. Nebusam Mimjum Kwasi or say affidavit of non-service. I, Richard Opoku, bailiff attached to the High Court at Sunyani, make oath and says as follows. 1. That on the 18th day of March 2025, I was entrusted with motion on notice for committal for contempt for service on within named. Sir, Aya Court bailiff we no ochirema 18th day of March 2025 no. Aya Court say on survey Aya Dormaahene adanya wa commit contempt. Now me dwom kwa say I say on the 18th, 20th and 21st days of March 2025, I attempted service on the said first respondent. Sir, Aya Dormaahene on these days no, metre 18th, 20th and 21st ni nyina no, na ohwehwe Dormaahene na wa serve no, but could not effect service because of the following reasons. 1. On 18th and 20th, I met with the respondent absence at his place of abode. Or say, 18th and 20th no, or first respondent no, which is Aya Dormaahene. Now, okopiem woni fie wo no na chese Dormaahene oni ho. Now, 2, or say, on 21st, I met the first respondent, but was prevented by his bodyguards from effecting service. Or say, 21st ne de, oko Dormaahene wo no, ohun Dormaahene fili gadochi, ohun 101. But Dormaahene bodyguards okoto Dormaahene woni fie ho. Na mbom no Dormaahene bodyguards e prevent or no court bailiff ni say, omo ma no kwan ma onfa that sermon no emma Dormaahene. Nti chese Dormaahene bodyguards e prevent or no court bailiff no from effecting service. 3. That I swear to this affidavit in proof of non-service sworn at Sunyani this 21st day of March 2025. I just said the signature na no. Now, this court bailiff we no and some of the able to gano etwetwe so kakra. Opimso radio link to Mensia. Omo pe ne obi a omo post this particular court sermon no. Amanfo so ka omo Chimonka highway no so say adan na anyanya bia no Dormaahene nsem o de betu dwa about this allegation say otumfo say tutu oya galamsey ni Mensia so ya galamsey no ana. Eno na ebusuan wo check 3 dates na nkasa na court bailiff we no odi tu dwa na o say 18th 20th and 21st wo hwe Dormaahene so ensem odi betu dwa about Asante nyine otumfo say tutu ene Kofi Addo ma woni nani ho ensensem yi a Dormaahene de sansam no betu dwa 21st March. So that 21st March no and a court bailiff no so o kire mu say okoya no okoto Dormaahene woni fie. Now so no Dormaahene bodyguards prevent or no court bailiff no from effecting service. A contempt no. Then it means ebusha asam no wo bekom bekwase no na ensem bia Dormaahene waka etia menhia palace ene asante hene otumfo setutu wo de ebusha me fancy ya in the coming days no yehwe nia menhia palace anka so beba abonten se omo na omo se wo ye chidi a ye be find out se enyo omo so a ye be find out because for Opimso Radio to post this particular court sermon way no and even the caption no after so omonchimon ka highway no so ebusama so so be share video way na oba kire wadwen amam your comment section who want subscribe here masro so be subscribe to TRENDSGH na turn on notification bell on for latest update macro.
Sending money abroad just got a whole lot easier with Afriex. Our slick app makes international transfer crazy fast and super secure. Just tap a few buttons, money sent across the globe in minutes. One magic of Afriex is that you can add your debit card or load money to your Afriex wallet right in the app, then send those funds to your recipient overseas straight to their bank account at lightning speed and zero fees. You can earn a one-time bonus of $20 if you refer your friends and they send up to $150. Whether you're in the USA, Canada, Europe or anywhere in the world, Afriex. Best rates at no cost with no hidden fees.